Hey, welcome to John Kine Barbershop. I'm about to run you through some of the techniques and styling tricks to cutting the undercut style haircut. But first, we need a customer.
Yeah, Mr. Smith?
Yeah.
The barber will see you now.
Okay, thanks.
Hey, first I'm going to run you through the tools that you'll need to cut this style of hair. The first thing you'll need is clippers with the necessary attachments. For this style of hair, we're going to use a number 1 attachment, a number 2 attachment, and a number 3 attachment to properly taper the length of hair. What we'll also need is a comb, a neck duster, a neck trimmer, as well as hair cutting scissors. There's 3 main steps into cutting the undercut. The first is buzzing the side and back of the hair. The second is scissor cutting the top to the correct length. And the third is cleaning up the edges to properly fit the haircut. First, what we're going to do is buzz the side and the backs of the hair. You'll want to take your lowest attachment. For this haircut, it's going to be a number 1, and start buzzing the bottoms of the side and back. Make sure you move the top of the hair out of the way when you need to. This will leave you with a hard line that will look a little bit awkward at first, but that's okay. Next, we'll move on to our number 2 attachment. If you ever need to get the hair out of the way, spraying it with some water is a good way. Next, we'll move on to the number 3 attachment. With this attachment, you have to be careful to pull the hair out of the way and buzz it all the way up to the hairline. If you need to make a hairline, this can be done by taking your comb and parting the hair all the way over to the other side for a distinct line.
Did you want to cut some of the shorter hair that's on this side?
Where at?
Like, do you want to bring this line up a little more?
You want me to?
Yeah, just see if you can find where that, just like go up like just a little bit. Pretty solid line right there, I would say.
Yep.
Looking good? Make sure the camera's recording before you start filming that part.
Okay. After you have completely worked your way around with the clippers, it's next time to move on to the scissor cutting of the top of the hair. There's a certain technique to doing this. What you'll want to do is run through the hair with the comb like so, and pick it up with the fingers that aren't in the comb. Pull the hair up to about the length that you would like to cut it, and then take the scissors and cut that length. Do this for the remainder of the top of the head until you have a length that falls to the appropriate side and looks right. For this style of haircut, you need to cut the part side of the hair a little bit longer than you cut the other side so that it all falls to the correct length. The last step of this haircut is running back through each buzzer length with the upward motion multiple times until you have gotten rid of that distinct line between each buzzer length. The last step is to let them look at the haircut in the mirror and make sure everything is okay. This one looks great.